said there's 3 of them.
It only works when she stands on her head.
That's exactly what I do with your aunt today, only she was driving a remote control My Little Pony airplane.
A little flying saucer.
Hey, you're standing in the way.
Oh, that's a good picture. The thing that I like about the photo shows that was is they're all plus size. Oh, he looks better with his hair. Oh, that one's great.
I think your popcorn's done.
Dashboard facilities.
Cybertron. It's a robot.
Oh, this is the one you guys have been looking everywhere for.
I'm not picking it up.
Wait, the robot fall down.
Robo fell over.
That was way too funny.
Here we go.
We're on team.
Yeah, you were saying.
Okay, so
That's what it sounds like.
somebody's trying to start a chainsaw. Kind of like that. Yeah. Let her. That's your life. They would understand.
You got one.
Oh, that's what I do.
like I
Another
do.
one! I like it. Wait!
Okay, that one fell over.
Wait, it moved.
Yeah. We used to call him Julia.
Did you hear her?
Fuck you.
I don't know, after that night in Tombstone, I kind of wonder what she would share.
What's the worst thing about that guy's cheese face?
I don't know, Paul's was pretty priceless too, though. Paul's reaction completely was pretty much priceless. Because I chased him. He's probably having nightmares. Oh, I'm sure. He probably won't come near me for a while. He's afraid I might chase him again.
Communicated with you yet?
Okay. Cartoon. Yeah, it was the X-Men version. Hey, you fell over! You're not that way. Running across the screen where little vaginas being chased by
That was awesome!
Well, they're in a separate room, but it was a cartoon.
Nobody's ever done it.
I have the big one.
Whoa, see the end?
This girl is very happy with life and nobody wanted it.
Oh, cool.
I think they're on the same game. We don't want to be a good player now, so I don't think a lot more. Well, we do, but I do I take that back. Keith has the Go video.
If this one sucks, I'm gonna be depressed. It's called the Lucky Leprechaun. Be awesome, please!
I am always on.
Lucky Leprechaun. I know, but why is there purple?
Because he got hurt.
They have a claim for that.
Actually, it should have been the other way.
It was originally. That's okay, because it's on fire now.
What? All you do.
The only time you get to hear a lot of the day, that's the night.
Yeah, no kidding.
He's standing downwind.
Look at the pixies. Okay, see, now that would have been much funner. Why didn't you do that at first?
What did you do? Guess you'd like it to go off early. That's the best. Good thing about finishing early, right?
I don't take that out.
Yay, dinosaurs!
Fine, Christina.
I'm still standing!
There's a sound.
Yeah, that's right, boy. Holy shit, that thing rocks!
Oh, it goes through different tubes.
That's only the first one.
I don't know. I'm not going over to find out.
There's the middle one now.
2 or 3.
Got the bottle in that one. That's got to be that pine, snow pine or whatever they talk about.
Oh, that sounds good.
What's the name, like Coffee Over Mountain? Maybe.
That one went up, following that tree before it went.
Kind of lows you into full sense of security. 34 shots fired that thing.
24,000.
Give or take a couple.
Oh, yeah.
allowed airplane to go over.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, let me see the blue.
That is really simple. I've been like focusing up here like one side.
Yep.
There it goes. There it goes.
That was funny.
Wow, I'm not expecting that.
That was good. Holy shit.
Good thing we have a fire extinguisher.
That's right. As we're all running away from the fire extinguisher.
No stopping that jump. I'm like, oh!
There was some that rolled over there. That's pretty
I don't think
funny.
it is. We're quite
I'm
expecting.
making sure record is on.
Oh my god, that looks awesome!
Oh, we must look at this.
Okay.
Ooh.
I
Ooh.
was saying text you and
That looks
That makes
awesome!
that makes the girls go, ooh.
That makes me want to go down that highway to hell. Oh, oh, oh! We should really have the song playing right now.
See it going up the ramp?
Yeah. Dang, when it gets to the middle fall, that's gonna be awesome.
I hope.
Oh my
them.
stars. Okay.
Getting closer. It's almost there. No, there's still one more.
Ooh.
Oh, cool.
Come on, get me to hell. Quicker, quicker.
Now my bulb's on fire.
That's awesome.
Yeah. I gotta go back to the doctor.
We're glowing red.
I know, it dropped.
Grand finale. Good night. Thank you. Good night.